I'm about to show y'all something really good. A loaded, smashed Cajun burger. Oh, you talking about good, y'all. Got a little bit of everything on it, but it is super good. You spice it up, you put this, that, and a little bit. Just come over here and watch what we're gonna do. Y'all know Smashburgers go quick, don't take long at all. We got a few things to prep before we get started. Y'all watch this. It's gonna be good. Y'all know I don't like a lot of mayonnaise, but this is good with this. 3, I'm gonna go 4, y'all. 4 is a good number. Next we got ketchup. And this is something my wife and her best friend since first grade made every day in the lunchroom at school. Mayonnaise and ketchup mixed together. They made this with our french fries every day. We're gonna mix this up a little bit right here, but we ain't gonna be stopped here. Put a little mustard in here. Yeah! All right, y'all, at this point we got, I guess you'd call this a basic burger sauce. But we not through, y'all know we're gonna jazz it up some. Here you go. Look at there. Gonna put some of this Cajun seasoning on it from Blackstone. Then we got some whiskey burger. Y'all, this is gonna be good. Got sweet relish. I like this stuff, y'all. We're gonna mix this up. Just let it marinate here a little bit on this table while we're waiting. Then we're gonna pull us out some of this sausage. Good old smoked sausage. Y'all, when it comes to Cajun cooking, there's one thing you can count on. Usually sausage and Holy Trinity. Get this out. Now I'm gonna cut the sausage a little bit different than normally do. Put it about right there and right there, and I'm gonna take this right here and put it right here. We're gonna cut this thin, y'all. The reason I'm cutting this thin like this, we're gonna set this on our burger, and it just looks better thin, and it's easier to handle. You don't want a whole big piece of sausage up on there. All right, y'all, we got everything prepped. Now let's start cooking. First thing I'm gonna do is throw down some Earl, but you gotta have everything slick. Look at there. I'm gonna spread this around a little bit. We're gonna drop all these on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're doing 6 today because we're gonna do 3 doubles. So y'all watch this. We want that good and smashed, don't we? That's all right. All right, y'all, got a little oil on my parchment paper. We gotta do some more. Hope this works. Let me get this off of here. Oh yeah. Flatten this one out. I do better just doing it my way. I'll squeeze this all the hell in that, y'all. We're gonna come back in just a minute when it's time to flip. These don't look perfect because I'm gonna make them taste good. That's the main thing. All right, y'all, we're gonna season these up a little bit. Got them. Now we're gonna get to flip them. 1 flip, 2 flip, 3 flip. Gotta throw this sausage down, let it get to cooking. Gotta chuck these down here. Get them cooking. You can use whatever cheese you like. Today we got American cheese because that's what we like. All right, now we're gonna get these buns out. I mean, like I said, it goes quick. Once you start cooking, you gotta hurry it up. So we're gonna spread a little bit of this on there. Our secret sauce, that ain't a secret no more. I don't know if y'all can get these where you at, but we got these Gator pickles. Oh, you talk about good. And they're all seasoned up real good, a little spicy. Let's grab these patties, y'all. The way we're gonna do this, y'all, we're gonna put a patty down. just like this. Get another one for here. Now, patty number 2. Oh, and it's supposed to be ooey gooey and chewy. Y'all watch this. Fix to make some good stuff. Y'all, we're gonna put some in the sausage on top, just like that. Ooh, is that pretty? We're gonna add a little more sauce right here. Not a lot, because we got a lot on the bottom. Remember that. Now this can be a messy burger. I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be messy. We're gonna put the tops on these things. Now if we can eat them. I told y'all this would be super good, super great. Is this beautiful or what? Look at that. You see all the meat, the sausage, the cheese. Yo, this is good. But it should have been great. It's missing something. I don't know what. Oh, Holy Trinity. Knew I was forgetting something. Brown y'all a little bit of this, cook it down a little bit and put it on your burger. Then you have a great burger instead of just a good burger. But this is good. Y'all leave it in the comments down below. What kind of burger you like? What kind of smash burger you like? This is double meat with sausage and cheese. It is good. Let me know what you want to see me cook.
Tonight you're cooking with the